Just moving forward, what is your advice to the Philippine government? It seems we have had some setbacks, some gains. What should we do to preserve the gains and minimize damage? And lastly, what can ordinary Filipinos do? Is there something for us outside the government to do to make sure that our sovereign rights and basic rights are protected?
Well,
during the West
first of
Philippines?
all, we should be careful with our words, the President and the Foreign Minister, that we do not unintentionally waive anything. Second, the Filipino people must watch that we do not waive any of our sovereign rights. This administration has said that we will set aside temporarily the ruling. That means they will not actively enforce it.
Right.
So what do we do during that period? We'll educate ourselves and educate the world about that China has no historic right to the South China Sea, that the world must ask China to respect the ruling, because that ruling benefits everybody. Because if China can seize the EEZ of the Philippines, coastal states, which are weak militarily, will also suffer at the hands of their stronger neighbors. So everybody has an interest to preserve the law of the sea in the South China Sea. So that's what we should do. In the meantime, that the present administration does not want to actively enforce the ruling, and the president is the chief architect of foreign policy, and I respect that. That's in the Constitution. But what do? We educate ourselves, we educate the world.